In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to an Etsy listing. Adding a short video to your product page is a great way to help shoppers understand what you're selling, see how it works, and imagine it in their own lives. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Etsy account and head to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is your main control center as a seller, where you manage orders, listings, and shop settings. If you're on the Etsy homepage, you'll usually find a link to Shop Manager at the top of the screen once you're signed in. Click that to open your dashboard. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Find the option labeled Listings and click on it. This section shows all of your current and draft listings in one place, and it's where you'll go anytime you want to add, edit, or remove a product from your shop. Next, you'll either open an existing listing or start a new one. To do this, click on Add a Listing. If you already have a draft you're working on, choose that draft from your list and open it. If you're creating something new from scratch, Add a Listing will start a fresh product page for you to fill in. With your listing editor open, scroll until you see the Photos and Videos section. This is where you add all your product images, and it's also where you'll upload your video. Take a moment to think about the order of your visuals. Typically, you want your best photo first, followed by additional angles, and your video in a position where shoppers will easily notice it. Now click on the Upload button in that section. Etsy allows you to upload up to 20 photos and one video for each listing. When you click Upload, a window will open so you can browse through the files stored on your computer, tablet, or phone. From there, simply select the video file from your device. Choose a clip that's clear, well-lit, and focused on the product. Short, to-the-point videos usually perform best, so aim to show key details or how the item is used. Once you've selected it, Etsy will start uploading the file. When the upload is complete, make sure to save or publish your listing so the video appears on your live product page.